virus definitely, Brother Arfan, is this virus, okay, let me see here. Is this virus definitely considered the same, the plague? They categorize this way, Brother Arfan. They call pandemic, which is طاعون. You know, we have two terminology in Arabic. وباء, disease that is like flu, for example, during the flu season. That's وباء. It's called وباء. But طاعون is the pandemic. That's the word which has been used now. So they certainly classified it on the same level like the plague which the Prophet ﷺ prophesied through the revelation. اعدد ستا قبل الساعة. Count الحديث في صحيح الإمام مسلم, count 6 things before the hour. وموتان يأخذ فيكم كقعاص الغنم, in reference to the plague of Amwas, which happened the 18th year after Hijrah during the reign of Umar ibn al-Khattab radiyallahu anhu.